Hello students, today we are learning dirty air, clean air. Around us dirty air also is there, clean air also is there. So dust, smoke and germs make the air dirty. So dust, when you are sweeping, otherwise any car is moving, that the gas is coming out. Some students see this boy like you. What this boy is doing? Sneezing. See all that dirt comes out. So these are the things. Dust is this with this, smoke is with this, and germs with this. You understood? So the air becomes dirty with all these things. If we breathe in air and that has dust, smoke or germs, we can fall sick. Yes. If the air is not clean, then we are becoming sick. Okay. When the dust will go inside your mouth or nose like that, no, it will goes inside, and germs also. See, this boy is sneezing, so all that germs will go in your mouth, or it can go in the nose, and then smoke also in the nose, then you fall sick. Avoid breathing dirty air. So breathing dirty air is harmful for us, so you should avoid means supposing this lady is brooming, okay, and now she is there and you should not go there close to her that time. This boy, see, he is sneezing, he is having cough cold, so there you should not stand. Smoking also, when car is moving and that smoke is coming out, so you should not be there, okay. So you will not have that dirty air in your body. We should avoid making the air dirty. Grow more plants. Use the handkerchief while sneezing. Do not sit with people who are smoking. Yes, some people are smoking. No, that time you should not sit near those people. Handkerchief, when this boy is he has a handkerchief, but still see it is coming. So you should take a good handkerchief. Grow more plants. If you grow more plant, the tree will take carbon dioxide and it will give us oxygen. We should avoid making the air dirty. So we should not make our hair dirty. These are the things that you should remember. Okay, students. Okay, now water. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So our world is covered with 3/4 of water. For example, I will just show you here. This is the world. So this one and this one. This is land. So these 3/4 water is covered. That is why our earth is called the blue planet. That's why we are calling blue planet. It is, see how it looks, so it looks like blue color. Understand? Planet. Seas, ocean, rivers, lakes and ponds are some water bodies. Water bodies means these are the like for example, seas, oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds. These are known as water bodies. Uses of water. You can see here how they are using the water. See here what she is doing, that girl. What is she doing? Brushing her teeth. Yes. Here. What is this? Can't understand. Anyway, see, this boy is having bath. This one is putting clothes after washing. Here, see, mummy cooking. You are drinking, like that. All living things need water to live, so we need water also. Air, water, these are the main important things for us. We have to have water. We need water too for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, utensils, cleaning the vessels. Utensils means cleaning the vessels, and clothes. Understood, students? So I hope you understood this. Here animals need water for drinking and bathing. See, they also need water for drinking. And see, this one is putting water on the plants. Someone is having bath on the tub. Plants need water for preparing their food also. Plants also need water. So when we want to have vegetables, then we should put water to those plants, then only they will provide us food. Okay students, now this much is enough today. Tomorrow we will do this.